Hey everyone, we're cleaning up the kitchen today. I just finished. Here is some footage of me cleaning the kitchen. It took a lot longer than I thought it would.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on, just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
I'm so happy that's all done. It feels so good to have a clean kitchen. I showed you guys how I changed, I need to show this cupboard, how I changed my poles right before Christmas. I love them, but some of them need longer screws. Like this fell off, this one right here won't stay on, so I need to go and get some longer screws for some of them. But I love it. Such a fun and easy way to totally, I think, change the look of your kitchen. I mean, I didn't totally change the look of my kitchen, but I really love it. You're going to study? You're just going to study. Good boy. I love you. I love you. See you in a little bit. Anyways, got that cleaned. Got the rugs vacuumed. You want spaghetti? Yeah, let's make spaghetti for dinner. Got the dining room table cleaned up. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys. Me and Layla went to the dollar store earlier to get a few things for some crafts that I want to make. And I always like to get their clay there. I talked about this, I think, in the vlogs, but also on Instagram. I just show it, talk about it a lot. I gave the kids the clay to create little things with while I clean to keep them busy so they're not fighting but not just watching TV. And I always love to see what Winston makes because he's so dang good. Spider-Man, I can't remember who that is. This looks like another little Spider-Man guy. So anyways, he'll make these and then play and play and play with them.
Play-Doh.
Yep, we got Play-Doh, huh? We got Play-Doh, molding clay also. Just organized the furniture in here and I really like it. I think this is my favorite. I did watch some vlogs from when our couch was over there and I did love like that open feeling right there, but this is just so much more cozy. So I think I'm gonna keep it like this. I don't know if forever, but for sure right now. Anyways, but this chair was in Casey's shop, this one here, while it was Christmas and we had the Christmas tree. We just brought it in and I really like it right there. I think that I will get a lamp to over here, a lamp to go behind it right there. Yeah, and then we have our chair right here, so we have more sitting if anyone comes over. It just feels so much bigger in here. I did slide some things around. I slid the rug underneath the couch a little bit more to give more walk space right here, and I did slide the couch back a little farther during Christmas time so we would have more room, and I just kept it there and it looks really nice. I also just slid our dining room table over. I don't know how, but it just has been sliding this way, and I noticed every time we were walking through here we were kind of knocking into that shelf. It's like, what in the world? And then I noticed that it wasn't even centered. It was like clear over, so I pulled the dining table over and it just seems like there's so much more room now. Hello. We built this fireplace. If you've been around for a couple of years, you saw us build it, and it is kind of big. I love it, it's beautiful, and I am grateful that we have it in here. I do wish it didn't poke out from the wall quite so much, but that's okay. Anyways, our TV is super, super high, so I do want to have someone come over and move our mantle down. And that is going to probably do some damage to the shiplap behind. So we'll have to get that all figured out. But I do want to move the mantle down just a little bit so that we can move the TV down. Because when we're sitting on the couch, and our couch is kind of low also, it just feels like we're like, oh, like looking up too far. Hi, you need to clean your room now. I know that's your room and you need to clean it. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Let me show you from the doorway. Isn't that cute? I'm so happy. So I also just moved. I had this little like drawer. What is this called? I don't know. You guys know. Over there, and I just moved it over. I left it over here. I moved it there for Christmas, and then I just added our plant that's been there for a while. But I'm really, really happy. I feel like I've already changed so many things with this house. And it's beautiful. It was beautiful when we moved in. I really love it. It just, I've just tried to make it my own. I've always wanted a fireplace, so I added a fireplace. Also, I just kind of like more like the farmhouse look, and it wasn't really that. Don't mind my kids arguing non-stop. Anyways, I really love the farmhouse look, and I just kind of tried to create that in here, adding shiplap. I think that the handle, the pulls really helped. I do love that the doors are black. I wouldn't have done that if I would have built a house, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I love the color of the walls. I don't know what it is. So many people ask me, and I feel that because I don't know. I also don't know the color of my doors. But we did that. We also, if you don't know, added on to our pantry, which is something that I plan on organizing, if not this week. I don't know if it will happen this week, but next. I'm going to Utah tomorrow because it's my grandma's birthday, and I'm so excited. But we did add on the pantry. It's a disaster right now. Thank goodness the garage in this house is really big, so we were able to add on out there. I also extended our laundry room, which I don't even know if I really showed on here. I should do another house tour, but I also won't show this too much because it's a disaster. But I do need to do like get everything cleaned up and organized, and then do another home tour video. I'm also still vlogging with my big Canon 70D, and I just edited the video from yesterday that I also filmed using my 70D, and you can tell it's different, and you can tell that I'm struggling to hold the camera up because it's so heavy and big. So hopefully I'll get my camera soon. Yeah, anyways, hope you guys are having a good day. I'm going to finish cleaning up a little bit, just vacuuming and sweeping and mopping my floors, and go get Braylee. I have a cheer meeting tonight, and it sounds like we're having spaghetti for dinner.